Sai Ram. Welcome all of you to Sri Sathya Loka Seva online classes. Let's learn English program. Okay, and your coach is Kalpana Heblekar. Let's learn today the continuation of the sounds of the consonant words. Okay, so let's learn the sounds of the consonants. So now we start with letter L. So L has only one sound. It is called L. 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 So light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Lime. L-I-M-E. Lime. L-I-M-E. Lime. Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. Okay. So, see, light. Can you see the light? Yes, light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Then here we have leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. So, one is called leaf and many are called leaves. Okay. So, that also comes in L only. Leaves. Okay. Then lime. L-I-M-E. Lime. Okay. And then lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. So, the consonant letter L has one sound, that is L. 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 Don't forget. Now, the next consonant letter M has only one sound. It is M. 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 Mat. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Man. M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-U-S-T. Must. M-U-S-T. Must. M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Now let us see the images. This is mat. M-A-T. Mat. Mat can be yoga mat or sitting mat, anything. Okay. M-A-T. Mat. Then comes man. M-A-N. Man. Okay. Your father, your elder brother, your grandfather, all are man. M-A-N. Man. Then monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. See, such a cute monkey. Do you like monkeys? Yeah, I too love monkeys. Okay, because it keeps jumping from one place to other, right? Yes. And the balance you should see. It never misses the balance. Okay, however far the other tree is, it jumps nicely. And you know, one thing, the mother monkey will hold the small monkey, it's such a claspingly, that it will not let out the small monkey to fall down also. So, we should learn the balance from the monkey. Not chatterbox like monkeys, okay? Yes, monkey. Then must. Your teacher says must. You must learn English 10 minutes every day. What your teacher says? You must. So, when you stress something, it is must. M-U-S-T, must. Then moon. All of you see the moon in the night? Yes. Moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Very good. So, the consonant letter M has only one sound and it is M. 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 Don't forget. Okay. Then the next consonant letter is N. And this also has got only one sound. So, very easy, right? So, N has only one sound. N. N. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Net. N-E-T. Net. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Nail, N-A-I-L, nail. N-A-I-L, nail. So, let us repeat the words. Nest. See, the birds build their nest, right? So, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. See the intelligent bird builds so well. Yes? Do we know to build like this? No, we can never. Net. So, net. See, to catch the fishes or to catch the animals, it is net, N-E-T, net. Nut. Nuts, yes, groundnut or almond or walnut, okay? Nuts, these are very good for health. You should eat every time. And groundnuts are called the poor man's almonds, okay? So always remember, you should eat groundnuts also. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night, that you don't have to tell, okay? Because we sleep at night. All love to sleep, right? We don't like morning to come. Why? Sun can come out little late. No, we want to sleep. So, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Now, nail. Okay, this is very important. Just listen, pay attention to this. N-A-I-L, nail. Now, we have two meanings for the nail. Same word, but two meanings. See, we all have nails, right? We trim the nails, right? We trim the nails. These are nails. And then which we use to fix the furniture, then fix the frame on the wall. It is nails. Okay? N-A-I-L, nail. Both are nail only. So, we should see the context and then we should use the meaning. Nail, N-A-I-L, nail. Okay. Now, the consonant letter N has one sound like N. Nest, net, nut, night and nail. So, nail we have got two meanings. Nails which are there on our hands and legs, fingers. And then the nail which we fix the furniture and the photo frames or anything. Yes, now that we have completed the letter M, I think you are now knowing the sounds of M. M is for mat, man, monkey, must and moon. Okay, now we'll go to the next consonant letter P. Okay, P has only one sound and it is P. 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 Okay, as in put, P-U-T, put. We are not saying pat, okay? So, parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Pure, P-U-R-E, pure, okay? So, now we will see how beautiful the parrot is, right? Yes, though it is a bird, if we train it properly, the tongue is very thin, parrot tongue. So, if we teach him anything, it will say as it is, get up, get up, get up. If you teach, it will say, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, you will teach, he will say, okay. So, parrot is a very cute bird and you can keep it in the house also in the cage or you can leave it like that, it will come and go every time, okay. So, parrot can be a pet bird also and it eats guavas, chilies and even coriander leaves, okay. Yes. So, now you have known the P, that is P, the sound of P is P and put, parrot and pure, okay. Yes. Okay, then the next consonant sound is Q and the sound is only one, K, K. So, it is queen, Q, quick, question, queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Queue, what is the meaning of queue? You stand in a queue to take the ticket, bus ticket, train ticket, or you stand in a queue to go for God's temple darshan. Yes? So, queue. Then quick. Yes, do the homework quick. In a quick, you see, no? Quickly, come here quickly. Come here quickly. Go there quickly. Yes, quick. Then question. What is your name? Question. So you are asking a question. Where do you live? Yes, that is a question. So let us say the spellings now. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-Q. Q-U-E-Q. Quick. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. Question. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question. Okay. Then the next consonant letter is R. R has also one sound. Okay. That is R. 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 Room. R-O-O-M, room. See, when you say also it is R. Rat, R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Then river, R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Okay. See, this is a room. R-O-O-M, room. That is, inside the house there will be different rooms, right? So it is room. Even your classrooms, we say classrooms. Okay. Then rat. Okay, rat. Then river. See the river, it is shown so well over here. So it will flow. Okay. Then red. Red is red color. Okay, you can take this also as red color, and this is shown as rat. Do you like rat? No, right? No. But rat is the favorite of Ganesha. Yeah, it is Ganesha's Vahana, no? So we have to respect it, okay? So we have to like it. Otherwise Ganesha will be angry on us, right? So rat. So R has only one sound. It is R. Okay. Then the consonant letter S. S has a sound called S. S. Which other consonant is having S? Tell me. Which other consonant has the sound S? Yes, it is C. C is having two. Okay. Ka and S. But this consonant letter S is also S. Snake. Snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. S-E-A-C. S-E-A-C. S-O-O-N. Soon. S-O-O-N. Soon. S-O-A-P. Soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. Okay. So now snake. See the snake? Yes, we all like to see it from far only. Yes, we don't like when it comes near us. We run away. But from far, we love it. Right? Then sun. S-U-N. Sun. Okay? And then sun is also called as Vivaswan. Vivaswan. Okay? Sun. Sun god is also called as Vivaswan in Sanskrit. Then it comes in the Bhagavad Gita also. Then sweet. We all like to eat sweet, right? Laddus. Yes, sweet. Rasgullas, laddus. Yes, very nice. Then we have the sea. Yes, see the sea? My goodness, so big waves are coming, right? Yes, you should all go to the seashore. Okay? especially during the sunrise and sunset. It is very nice to see. But just not go there and sit and play, but you should also think about the beauty which God has created. Okay? So, see. Then the next consonant letter is T. T has the sound called T. 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 Okay, tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Then we have tank. T-A-N-K. Tank. T-A-N-K. Tank. Then train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. So, for all this, T, T, T comes. Okay? Yes. So, now see this tiger. Such a royal thing, right? Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. So, like snake, also this is a beautiful creation of God, but we don't like to go near it. Yes? Tiger. Okay. Then see this tail. Can you see the tail? Animals have tail. Do humans have tail? No. Yes? Animals have tail. Yes, tail. Then table. Table, which you write something. No, which you keep something on it. Writing is desk. Okay? So, this table you can keep anything. Then truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Have you seen? Truck. Going from one village to another or one place to another, you keep things in that and then you take it from one place to another. That is called as truck. Okay? Then the next consonant sound is V. The sound is V. V. Van, verb, vowel, valley. Okay? So, this is a van, school van. Okay, the big one is called bus and the small one is called van. Okay, and this is a valley. See, valley is between the two mountains, there will be some place, pathway. It is called as valley. Okay, see, so beautiful it is, valley. Okay. Okay. So, that's the end of our slide, and thank you for watching Sri Sathya Sai Loka Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English. And I always want you to subscribe for this website, because you can get lot of things, in other subjects also, and other slides are also there. And you can always click on to the bell icon, which is next to the subscribe button, because any new videos we upload, you will get the subscription for that and you will get to know. You will get a bell ringing, ting ding. Okay? So, bye bye. Thank you. Sai Ram.